Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? This is Larry Jones. Welcome back to Stock Up. Hey, you already know, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. If you've been rolling with me, we're going to talk about the stock market. Hope you had a wonderful and blessed Christmas. We'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. Let's talk about the market and what I see coming. I'm trying to get it to where the sun is out of the way, good people. Let me move forward. All right. So listen. There's a lot of things that's happening. One of the things I want you to know about is out of the last 45 years, the last 5 days of the year and the first 2 days of the new year is generally green. That has happened 75% out of the last 45 years. That's pretty good, right? So if you are in stock, that you're thinking about selling, if you're not tax harvesting, you're thinking about selling at the beginning of the year, I just want you to keep that in mind. Like I just bought some Tesla at $8.95. I believe that Tesla is going to run up, especially here in the next week, even more. Anything could happen. I could be wrong, but I believe I got it at a good price. And I went in and bought more that day. And so it was a good move for me. And even if you're thinking about selling Tesla because you think it's going to go down, I think it may have a slight bump up before it turns around in reverse. But remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. So just looking at the forecast, right? And so since 75% of the time, the last 5 days of the year, which is this week, and the first 2 days of next year, meaning 2022, 75% of the time over the last 45 years, it has been green. So that's just something for you guys to think about. You know, no one has a crystal ball. Everything is crazy right now. And this new variant is spreading, though it's less severe, it's spreading like wildfire, right? Let's talk about what's going to hit the markets, the big thing to hit the markets next, and that's rising interest rates, which the Fed said that they're going to do 3 times next year. So what is it going to do to stocks? It's going to hit stocks. It could potentially send stocks into a bear market. And what is it going to do for crypto? This is what I think. I think it's going to hit crypto just like it hits stocks, if that happens, right? Meaning that it'll hit it and they'll both take a hit, right? But what happens is crypto is going to rebound quicker. And because I believe that people are starting to see that crypto is a hedge against inflation. And that's the reason why the Feds are having these interest rates is because inflation. All right. So we got to keep everything in perspective. Sorry, I'm going to put these back on. I just put some eye drops in my eye and my pupils are dilated. So that's one of the things that we want to keep in mind for the upcoming year. So here's where we could make money. I'm encouraging you guys that are not into investing, you're just swing trading. 2022 is going to be an investment year, right? Meaning you are buying long-term stock. So not only am I holding a lot of the stock that I have, but I'm going to be buying. If we do have a bear season, I'm going to be buying through the bear season. So what I've bought recently, I've shared with you guys, are banks, because banks are going to make profit on higher interest rates. You see? So it's a game. It's a puzzle. And you got to know when to be in what stock. Okay. Then I am holding my crypto, right? Because I think crypto in the next, month is going to have a pop. Then we can talk about, maybe doing some profit taking or whatever. Now, when the interest rate hikes start happening, then we could actually buy the dips in crypto when it takes its initial hit. And for those of you that don't think it's going to take an initial hit, look at the comparisons to the stock market and crypto. Here's another thing. I think that crypto is forming a totally different pattern. So we cannot go off of the past of cryptos harvesting the winter, all of that. I think crypto, if you look at it, crypto is acting a lot like the stock market, but it's over accented. It's if the stock market goes down a little bit, crypto goes down a lot. Stock market goes up a little bit, crypto goes up a lot. But I believe that crypto is having bigger moves. I believe it's going to have bigger moves in 2022. Not taking away long term that there's going to be plenty of stocks that you could literally DCA, not buy the first dips, but load up on during the bear season if it comes. I think the bear season is going to be short-lived, not like a lot of people. A lot of people think it's just going to go on for years. I don't think so, because I think the supply chain is going to start easing up. Again, and things are going to get caught up. And once the supply chain gets caught up, it's going to cause inflation to come down, and then the feds could stop raising interest rates. That's what I think. And I think that that's going to happen by the in the summer or by fall. So by Q3, actually, quarter 3 of 2022. So I believe that we could have the beginning of the year will be good. I think the end of the year will be good. And it could be, it's going to be a volatile year in between. Could be. Now, anything could happen. We could have some great news, and we can literally go into another bull season and not even hit a bear season. So the jury's out on it. We're gonna see what happens, right? Then I'm gonna end by saying this. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, Christ Mass, and it's Sunday. You guys know what we do on Sunday. We top it off. I'm not one of these super religious people, for those of you that's new to the page, so don't freak out. But we just celebrated Christmas, Christ Mass. And I did a video yesterday called Merry Christmas. I'm going to leave it right here in this upper hand, right hand corner to your left. And I want you guys to watch that, because I want you to know that, we're worried about our situations and our struggles. And we think of Jesus as the baby Jesus. And, Jesus grew up. And in the video, I talked about him. He was known as a battle axe. He is known as the King of Glory. In Psalms, it talks about the King of Glory. But the songwriter said, who is the King of Glory? The Lord God strong and mighty. The Lord God mighty in battle. So he's mighty enough to fight your battles. And I want to leave you with that. So the least of them are who he was drawn to, and not the fanatics. So I want you to know that on this Sunday, God will fight your battles, okay? And so all you have to do is put your trust in him and not man. Hey, we gonna make great money over the next, 4 to 5 years. We're gonna make a lot of money. But the time to be sowing is when the stocks and cryptos get beat down. All right, good people. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.